So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna tell how to open YouTube. Yeah, how to open YouTube. Yeah, let's begin. So first of all you have to open Google, then you have to search YouTube and click the enter button. Then it would load and you would get this option, YouTube, home YouTube. You have to click on YouTube. If you click on YouTube, then it would load for a few seconds, and then you would go on main YouTube homepage. Then if you want to sign in, you can sign in from here, and this option would come. Then you can also go back. It would load because the internet connection is slow. Then now if you want to watch any of the video, so you have to you can right click on this to watch the video, or also there is an option of searching. If you want to search any videos, you can search on this, and you can see many options. Also, if you have any link, so you can click on the link, so directly the YouTube page would open. We can see this Tech Banners channel. We can right click on this video to open the video. Then also there is an option of full screen like this, so you can enjoy watching the video. Also there is a cinema mode in this, like this, and you can also like or dislike the channel or video. And also there is an option to subscribe. You can subscribe, and then there would be option of bell icon. This is for the video. Subscribe my channel. I'll meet you in next video. Till then, subscribe and goodbye.